I'm Megan. I've been a customer experience designer for over 5 years now and have created a series of resources to help you with your customer and employee experience work. You might have heard of customer experience but not known it. It's called a bunch of different names. So we've got design thinking, human-centered design, user experience. In this video, I'll be running through facilitating a strategy workshop, also known as a plan on a page workshop. This will include each of the steps to follow and a working example. I also have a more detailed downloadable document on Etsy that includes the steps. It includes a blank template that you can use for your own work. I've left a link to that in the description down below. You can also check out a bunch of my other resources. So I've got other YouTube videos and packs to match on Etsy. I hope this video helps you, and let me know if you have any questions off the back of it. Let's jump in. So what is a strategy/plan on a page workshop, and when would you run one? So a strategy workshop, also known as a plan on a page workshop, is a session to run when you want to look at your plan for the year, your strategy moving forward on a project of work, how you want to approach things or continue to approach things. Running a plan on a page workshop is useful when you're starting a new project of work. You typically would run a workshop like this with a team so people can reflect and also plan ahead. A strategy workshop is a really good way at looking at what you've done and how you could attack something differently moving forward. So step 1, clarify the purpose. Make sure you're clear on the purpose of the session, because this is what will inform the questions that you ask to the group. Step 2, run the workshop. So a strategy or plan on a page workshop should typically be about an hour to an hour and a half in length. You want to run through number 1, give the attendees time to add their post-its, and then read out what people have written. You want to work through the rest of the workshop in the exact same way. So give time per section, run through what people have written, and then you'll be able to go through your strategy as you go along in the session. And step 3, send out the feedback. After the workshop, send the board out to the people that attended the workshop. All right, so here is a strategy/plan on a page example. Don't worry, I will be zooming in on each section. So at the top we have our scenario. This is what you'll get from your brief. So it will be different for each person. It might be, hey, we just started working on this new website with a new team. We've been working on it for 3 months and we want to run a strategy session to take a look back at how we've been working on it and what we want to change moving forward. In this example, the scenario is running the session with a team about to start creating a website to encourage people to adopt pets from pet shelters. So for number 1, we have challenges. What you want to do is run through each of your questions, a lot, maybe 5 to 10 minutes per section, and then read out each of the post-its. So here are a couple of examples of the questions. What problems are you trying to solve? What blockers exist that you need to overcome? What blockers have you seen in other similar businesses or projects? And responses are things like, need a GM to sponsor us. That's a challenge. Trying to take the fear out of adopting a rescue dog is hard. Next, we've got goals. So examples of questions might be, what are your goals? What do you want to have achieved? What is the best case scenario? And some example responses are things like, achieve a test version of the website within the next 3 months, stakeholder buy-in. Then we've got areas of focus. So where do you want to focus your time and energy? Examples of questions are things like, what things will you focus on? What is the scope of your strategy? What competitors do you have in this area? What does best practice look like? So some answers for this example: competitors are breeders and pet stores, and scope of the strategy is 6 months, then we'll look at where we're at. All right, so next we've got values and principles. So examples of questions within this are things like, what behaviors will move this forward? What are the potential roadblocks? How will you face and solve for challenges? And in this example, we've got answers like good communication, lack of buy-in across the business is a potential block. Now we have target audience. Questions might include, who is your target audience? Who do you want to avoid playing to? What needs do our target audience have from this? And answers could be things like, don't want to play to breeders because that wouldn't make any sense. Prospective pet owners. Pet shelter owners, they can refer cautious customers to our website to give them some peace of mind. And lastly, we have results. So how will you measure success from start to finish? And what tracking measures will you implement? Answers could be things like customer sentiment, number of people adopting pets, revenue from businesses we list as resources on our website. And that's the end of your strategy and plan on a page workshop. Send it out.